Alright, good morning guys. Welcome back to another brand new video. Hope you guys are all doing well today. I want to talk about Bitcoin, give you guys a update. What is happening right now with Bitcoin and the entire cryptocurrency market? There is a fair few Bitcoin charts that I want to show you guys today. Very bullish charts coming, okay? Because we know guys, April one is coming. Okay, so soon enough, guys, we will see Bitcoin reaching in the six figs, okay, 100k and beyond, right? And I'm here to tell you guys right now, $150,000 Bitcoin is coming very soon. In the next upcoming few months. I want to say honestly, early next year in 2025, we will for sure most likely see Bitcoin at $150,000 because we know, guys, $150,000 for Bitcoin to hit is going to be really easy, okay, for Bitcoin to do that. So let's talk about it. But let me show you guys what is happening right now with Bitcoin, because Bitcoin now is actually bouncing back up. Okay, y'all can clearly see Bitcoin right now 58,000. Okay, just above 58k. If we go to the 1 hour time frame, y'all can clearly see yesterday we saw Bitcoin at about $56,000, and at one point it went as low as 55,600. Right, so yesterday was a terrible day for Bitcoin and crypto, and not just for the crypto market, but also the stock market as well. Okay, we know the stock market was in fact crashing yesterday as well, and I will talk a bit more about that as well. But yes, Bitcoin today is looking a bit more better. Okay, it's slightly recovering back up to $58,000. Yeah, since clearly see that. So yes, Bitcoin is now back at that 58k level, which is great to see. Ethereum is slightly bouncing back up as well, still at $2.4 thousand. Okay, so it's now at 2,450, which is amazing to see for Ethereum. So today we are facing a very slight recovery from yesterday, because yesterday was a terrible day, right, for crypto. So crypto market today, this morning, global crypto market cap is now back above 2 trillion. Okay, yesterday we saw it just below 2 trillion, so now it's back up above 2 trillion, which is great to see. Market today overall is up 0.62%, so nothing too crazy today, right? Bitcoin and Ethereum, they are both not moving as much. They are in fact having a slight recovery for the past 24 hours, right? You can clearly see that 0.67% for Bitcoin and 0.74% for Ethereum. Now, altcoins today, okay, Solana is recovering. Okay, it's up 4% today. Okay, great to see for Solana. Doge is slightly recovering. Okay, it's up 1%. Same with Cardano. Avalanche 2%. Sheeb 4%. Right, Chainlink not really moving today. Okay, still holding at $10 though, which is amazing to see for Chainlink. And yeah, we are in fact seeing some other altcoins having a slight recovery, right? Uniswap today is up 6%. I have no idea why, but it's up 6%. Litecoin 1%. Okay, so yeah, a fair few altcoins are in fact recovering today, which is great to see, right? Now, the main reason, guys, the main reason why we saw Bitcoin crashing yesterday, and of course the entire crypto market, even the stock market, is because of this. So Japan's Nikkei 225 index closes down over 4% in a wild session. Okay, so September is starting off pretty ugly for global stocks. Okay, and this is pretty much one of the main reasons, guys, we saw Bitcoin crashing yesterday, and of course the entire crypto market, even the stock market was crashing. It's because of this, right? And this happened a few weeks ago. I don't know if you guys remembered. I think it was back early August. It was like a couple weeks ago, I believe. But something similar like this did happen. Okay, we did in fact see Bitcoin having that crash, right? So yeah, the Japan stock market did in fact crash, and that's why we did see other markets like crypto and the stock market crashing as well, right? So yeah, yesterday was a pretty bad time for the stock market, not just for Bitcoin and crypto, right? Yasin's clearly still a lot of reds globally, right? Let me just show you guys here. Right, Yasin's clearly see a lot of reds yesterday. Okay, this was yesterday. Yasin's clearly see a lot of reds for a lot of stocks, including Bitcoin and crypto and whatnot. Right, Yasin's clearly see that. So yesterday was a pretty terrible day, right? So yeah, the market wiped out 1 trillion from the US stocks. $1 trillion. That is a lot, right? So yeah, yesterday was a pretty bad day, but it seems like everything is slightly recovering back up to the upside. But I really do believe we will most likely see more corrections coming, okay, for Bitcoin and crypto, because as I told you guys, it's September, and September is one of the most bearish times right now for Bitcoin and crypto, and not just for Bitcoin and crypto, but also the stock market, because the stock market, Yasin's clearly does not perform that great right in the month of September. So historically, the month of September has been the worst month for stocks, right? Yasin's clearly see that. Okay, so historically trends are on the side for the market bear. September has historically been the worst month of the year for the S&P 500, right? So understand, guys, it's not just Bitcoin and crypto that does not perform well in the month of September. It's also the stock market as well, right? The S&P 500. So understand, guys, right? Global markets in the next upcoming few days, few weeks will potentially crash. And that's why I really, really do believe that the crypto market will crash even more, having corrections back down to the downside, right? And I told you guys that usually this is our last chance to buy during these time right now, especially in this month of September, because we will see most likely more corrections. And I told you guys that you really have 1 month left to buy Bitcoin and crypto, okay, when we see these corrections. Because understand, next month October is one of the most bullish times for Bitcoin and crypto. So understand, once October rolls around, that's when everything will change, the tables will turn, and Bitcoin will start skyrocketing. Same with November and December. Understand, November and December are in fact some amazing, decent times for Bitcoin and crypto, right? But we just got to get through September, okay? So when we see these corrections, guys, don't panic. Take it as an opportunity to buy more, right? Because this is literally your last chance right now to buy Bitcoin, to buy your favorite altcoins, right, at these low prices before we see a bull run occur. We know a bull run is coming, a massive rally is coming, a parabolic movement is coming. So be ready for that, okay? Be ready. So Bitcoin, right, says here, the previous summer chop lasted for 219 days, after which price more than doubled in the months that followed. If this chop season lasts as long as the previous one, it will end around the start of October. And that's very, very true. Yasin's clearly see a couple months back, right back in, I believe it was last year. Yeah, last year, okay, 2023. Okay, Bitcoin was in fact consolidating for 219 days. And then after that, it had this massive uptrend, right? So what is Bitcoin doing right now? Okay, so for this year, 2024, okay, when we saw Bitcoin reaching a new all-time high above $73,000, and ever since then, it was pretty much consolidating. Okay, we did in fact see a very, very strong resistance and support level, okay, and it was consolidating for, again, 219 days, right? Yasin's clearly see that. So will we see soon enough Bitcoin having this massive uptrend like what it did last year in 2023? Will we see that happening for this year in 2024? It will, guys. Understand that, right? Please understand this will happen. We will see Bitcoin having a massive uptrend, just like what it did last year in 2023 and of course early of 2024, right? So once we see Bitcoin breaking this resistance, okay, reaching back up to its previous highs of 73K, once it actually breaks that resistance line, that's when it's going to be history, and that's when Bitcoin will be going up even more and reaching a new high. Be ready for that, guys, because once we actually see Bitcoin breaking that resistance, okay, it's going to shoot up. Okay, it's going to shoot up, just like what this chart is in fact showing here, right? Understand, guys, $150,000 is easily going to happen for Bitcoin. Okay, it's easily going to happen. I feel like a lot of people out there are in fact saying that, the top for Bitcoin is going to be $150,000, but honestly, I think it's going to be way higher than $150,000. As I told you guys many, many times, I really do believe next year in 2025, when we are in fact in a bull run, in a bull cycle, I do see the top being 200K to 50K to even 300K and beyond. I think that's more realistic. Like $150,000 is easily going to happen. Okay, so 150K is going to happen, guys, in the next like few months. And I really do believe it's going to happen early next year in 2025. It could be maybe February or March. That's when I see Bitcoin reaching at least $150,000 per Bitcoin. It is coming, guys. Okay, so be ready for a $150,000 Bitcoin because it's coming very, very soon. And this is why, while we are in fact down here, okay, this is where we are right now. This is the time right now to load up, to buy as much Bitcoins as you possibly can, okay, for the next upcoming bull run, because this bull run is coming, a massive rally is coming, okay, a parabolic movement will be happening very, very shortly. So I really want you guys to be prepared for what is truly coming for Bitcoin. So yeah, get ready, guys. For all my Bitcoin holders out there watching this video right now, get ready for a $150,000 Bitcoin because it is coming and it's easily going to reach that. Bitcoin will easily reach 150K. Remember that, right? So yes, I do see Bitcoin, okay, reaching these prices like what it did back in 2017, right? It was like 900, 1.9K, and then it went all the way up to like 6K, and then 15K, reaching a new high. And I believe it was a bit higher than that, right? I believe. Let's have a look. So back in 2017, oh, it's down here. Was around like over $16,000, $17,500, close to $20,000, right? That was in 2017. Understand, guys, Bitcoin reaching 100K, 220K to 470. I don't know about 470, but I think 200K to 300K and beyond is very, very possible. I don't know about 400K and beyond, even though I am very, very bullish on Bitcoin. You guys know that, but I don't see that happening in this bull cycle. Maybe in the next bull cycle that will easily happen, but this bull cycle, I see Bitcoin reaching at least 200K to 300K to even over 300K. 400K is possible, but we will see about that. Okay, so understand these price targets are very, very possible. So 150K will happen easily for Bitcoin. Understand that. That's like nothing, right? That's going to like happen early next year in 2025, right? So get ready, guys, okay? But before I end today's video, I want to show you guys this because you guys know I talk about this topic about owning one full Bitcoin, why you guys should own one full Bitcoin, why you guys should accumulate one full Bitcoin. And Da Vinci Jeremy here, okay, the man that told everyone back in 2013, okay, to buy $1 worth of Bitcoins. We all know who he is, right? And he has tweeted out saying, just buy one Bitcoin is all you will need to retire in 10 years. Don't stop working hard until you get at least one friggin' Bitcoin first. I had to like it and I had to retweet it because that is very, very true, guys. Okay. He is saying just to accumulate one full Bitcoin. As I've been telling you guys, right? I talk about this topic a lot ever since I started my YouTube channel. Okay. I've been telling you guys, I've been begging you guys to accumulate at least one full Bitcoin. I feel like a lot of people out there are wondering, how many Bitcoins do I need to retire? One. It's very, very easy. It's very, very simple. Okay. All you really need is just one Bitcoin. Okay. And once you hold that one full Bitcoin, just hold it. Forget about it. Store it somewhere safe. Don't put it in a crypto exchange, right? Store it in like a hardware wallet, right? A cold wallet, right? So understand, guys, if you're watching this video right now and you hold one full Bitcoin, you will have a lot of wealth in the future and you will obviously become a millionaire. It's as simple as that because we know where Bitcoin is heading in the future. Price-wise, we know Bitcoin will be worth millions of dollars per coin, not just 1 million, millions of dollars. So obviously you will become a millionaire in the future if you simply hold one full Bitcoin, just one coin of a Bitcoin. That's it. It's that easy. Right? So start working, guys. Find a way to make money, right? DCA into Bitcoin and hold it for long term. Do not sell it. Hold your Bitcoins for long term, guys, right? It's as simple as that, and you will have a lot of wealth in the future. Of course, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research, right? But that being said, guys, I'm going to go ahead and end today's video. Hope you guys all enjoyed it. Bitcoin back at $58,000, looking pretty good right now. It is recovering from yesterday. Yesterday was a pretty bad day, we know that, so it's slightly recovering now, which is great to see. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end today's video. I will keep you guys updated, so stay tuned for that, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.